5 Health Benefits of Turmeric and Curcumin. Turmeric is a perennial plant with a rhizome that is collected for culinary spices and medicine. Its botanical name is Curcuma longa. It's predominantly grown as a culinary herb in India, and dried, powdered form is used in a variety of recipes throughout South Asia and the Middle East. Curcumin, on the other hand, is the most studied of the natural compounds found in turmeric. Although some of turmeric's various volatile oils appear to offer benefits as well, the pharmacological, or biological responses turmeric produces in humans appear to derive from this curcuminoid. Turmeric and its active ingredient, curcumin, provide a multitude of health benefits. 1. Potential protection from Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin appears to have anti-disease Alzheimer's properties, according to several research. Curcumin, for starters, appears to both prevent and encourage the disintegration of rogue proteins that grow between nerve cells in the brain and disrupt their function. The nerve cells eventually die, causing irreversible cognitive damage. Curcumin also appears to aid in the removal of another problematic protein called tau, which aggregates inside neurons and has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. However, the evidence is mixed. Turmeric consumption did not appear to improve cognitive performance or decrease the cognitive decline in Alzheimer's patients in a limited clinical investigation. 2. Arthritis relief. Osteoarthritis is characterized by pain and joint dysfunction, and the most frequent treatment is pain medications such as aspirin and ibuprofen. Curcumin, on the other hand, has been shown to be just as efficient in lowering joint inflammation and pain as nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory medicines, but without the gastrointestinal side effects. 3. Improved brain health. Curcumin has the ability to assist the brain in a variety of ways. Other neurological illnesses, such as dementia, Huntington's disease, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease, may benefit from the polyphenol's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Possible mood enhancement. Curcumin alleviated significant depression and, in some circumstances, anxiety in study participants in limited clinical trials. According to Dr. Jampoulos, curcumin appears to improve mood by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factors. Plant-derived polyphenols like curcumin appear to boost the creation of brain-derived neurotrophic factors, a protein that keeps neuronal cells healthy. Having said that, research is limited. There have been no long-term studies that have looked at the effects of curcumin for at least 8 weeks. 5. Protection from inflammation. Curcumin alleviated significant depression and, in some circumstances, anxiety in study participants in limited clinical trials. According to Dr. Jampoulos, curcumin appears to improve mood by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factors. Plant-derived polyphenols like curcumin appear to boost the creation of brain-derived neurotrophic factors, a protein that keeps neuronal cells healthy. Having said that, research is limited. There have been no long-term studies that have looked at the effects of curcumin for at least 8 weeks. Curcumin contains antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-cancer capabilities in addition to its 2 principal actions. It may also be able to control the too strong immunological response that certain COVID-19 patients have. It's being studied as a COVID-19 preventive as well as a treatment. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.